A new technology is offering hope to patients suffering from metastatic melanoma, an aggressive skin cancer that can be deadly. As Health and Science reporter Carolyn Johnson tells us, it's a combination of genetic engineering and electricity being tested here in the Bay Area.
For Clint Cook and his wife Marcia, sailboats were more than a hobby. They were a passion, competing in races that frequently took them from San Francisco Bay to Santa Cruz.
It's an emotional sport. It really is.
And one that requires hours in the sun.
When I got the call for the melanoma, it was certainly a setback, but not a surprise.
He'd had small skin lesions removed in the past, but tests soon revealed that this melanoma was an aggressive form, so aggressive that Clint eventually turned to Dr. Adil Daud and an investigational treatment currently in trials at UCSF. It uses an electronic device to help deliver a unique cancer-fighting agent.
You expose your melanoma cell to a very transient but strong electrical stimulus. You open a small pore or multiple small pores in each melanoma cell.
It goes directly into the lesion.
First, the UCSF team injects DNA plasma into the area of the melanoma. It's genetically engineered to produce a protein called interleukin-12. Next, they deliver a 1300-volt current into the same area using a device manufactured by San Diego-based Oncosec. The process is known as electroporation.
Here we go. You're going to hear some clicking.
As seen in this animation provided by the company, the electric shock causes pores in the cancer cell's membrane to open just long enough to allow the plasma to enter. Once inside, the cells begin producing interleukin proteins, which are treated as an alarm signal by the body's immune system, triggering it to attack the cancer cells.
You could see that the lesions are faint, almost disappeared.
While the treatment is highly successful in controlling targeted lesions, Dr. Daud says in a percentage of cases, the immune response has continued well beyond that treated area.
And you could have responses not just to the tumors you've injected in, that's understandable, but even to tumors you haven't touched, even to tumors in other parts of your body that you haven't injected or done anything. So we think there's an immune memory that forms.
He says about half the patients experienced the overall improvement, including untreated areas. For Clint and his wife Marcia, the early results offer hope of enjoying the outdoor activities they love as they head into retirement.
Us spending time together. Like I said, we've pooled our sources and bought a 2-year-old convertible so we can maybe go to the Grand Canyon. I've never been to the Grand Canyon.